Hey guys, I accidentally had my microphone off the whole time, but anyway, I just crafted that. I think you know what I'm doing because I was playing the whole time. Oof, I just fell down a tree. I'm trying to climb up a tree.
I know I have one priority. Do you want to know what it is?
What?
Destroying grass.
Destroying grass?
Not because I don't like grass or anything.
Okay, that's good.
Just because I need to get grass. Something.
Okay, I'm sacrificing a regular red lily because I don't want to sacrifice any of my other ones.
I vote for 300 grass even, okay?
Okay, Austin.
What?
Do you own any white flowers?
No.
Darn it, I need white flower.
I don't own any flowers at all.
What if I go to your island and I find flowers?
Oh, that would be weird.
A white flower.
You won't.
I mean, white flowers aren't really that good, easy to find. I love how they made this part now. Let's see.
I almost have 400 grass.
Darn it. I'm gonna see this blocks, dude. The blocks, dude.
Someone actually destroyed my base on
These look so cool. I like this one. I can get a red rug, but I don't really want that. Oh. If only this dude was selling things that I could actually get.
I'm going to tell you when I'm at 500 grass. Every 100 grass, I'll tell you.
What other
And I'm
things
not
are
recording
good?
right now.
View
And hey,
shop.
oh yeah, I got a random.
Oh, come on!
Hey, can I tell you something? I got a random subscriber that I don't know.
Cool.
So now I'm 4. My channel's really bad right now, but it's gonna get better. I've posted 2 videos. I hope that's good enough. 2 videos for 5 subscribers. At 100 subscribers, I'll show face review on my channel. My channel. Non-Kate's channel. Everyone knows my face on this channel.
Okay, I got fish.
$500 grass.
Oh, these are cool.
I have half 1,000 grass. I'm going for 600 grass. I think in the whole world there's near 700.
Got salmon. Okay, now I'm gonna go check out this dude that
If this
sells
was a video, the
stuff.
name of it would be Grass Inspection on Islands.
Oh, dang. I thought that was the dude.
I'm doing stuff that's not really fun right now.
I really want a white flower so I can make the next thing that I need. Today's a good day for fishing.
And we're actually, I'm just going to say, we're
Oh, I really like this spearfish.
we're only in
Thanks.
elementary school.
It's never.
I'm 4th and 5th grade. Kate's in 5th grade. I'm in 4th. I'm just saying
Austin, they do not need to know that.
that. Okay.
Oh, cool.
I don't know why I say stuff like that. It just always gets me.
I should go mine these trees. Do you want to know? Hey guys, do you want to know how I even got a lot of saplings? I had to ask for Austin because for some reason all my saplings just vanished.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah. I remember. Do you remember when I had 1,000 saplings?
Yep.
I still have 7.
Darn, I thought I could go in there. Okay, I'm parkouring every. Okay. Darn, it was. Okay. Hey, Austin, do you want to go to Slime Island with me? Do you have a sword?
Yes, I have a stone sword.
I have a wooden.
Okay. Why don't you make a stone sword? And I have 630.
Wait, Austin, come to the other island.
The main island?
Yes. I want to go on and adventure it. And then adventure with you.
This is how you got iron. Oh, yeah. Can I first go on an iron mining journey?
Okay. But do not mine too much or else I will not be happy. Oh, I wish I could get these
I
instruments.
have no iron.
That's a nice guitar.
Because everyone already stole the iron, okay?
Yes, please.
I've only mined one.
Oh!
Okay, look for Slime Island.
I don't have enough rope. I don't have enough Robux. I don't hear anything. What's wrong with my sound? Okay, Austin, are we waiting at Slime Island for you? Cause I'm not patient.
Wait, where are you?
I'm at the Adventurer.
Oh, hi.
It's near the animal. Oh, Austin, let's go. Are you ready, Austin? For the for the fight of your life?
Slimes?
Yes. We will be battling slimes. This dude's just standing there.
Yeah, not even attacking. I can do better than that. This is like Minecraft, but worse. I have slime balls. Slimes are pretty easy to defeat.
Let's see. Well, I want to go
Mine is something
there.
harder.
Austin, I'm adventuring at this island. But I see it.
How do you?
No, it's so
Slime
far.
King?
Where do you even go? What do you do? No, I disconnected.
Me too.
I better reconnect.
Yeah, I don't think we're going.
Yeah, sorry guys. Bye.